Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today my project is, can you guess? Yes, this is a beautiful mini scrapbook with its container. Yes, you can keep your cute scrapbooks inside this box. So I will show you how to create scrapbook as well as the box. And quickly I am showing you the glimpse of the scrapbook. It's super easy and super attractive to create, and I thoroughly enjoyed making this from start to end, and I'm sure you will also going to love the tutorial. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. For this we need acetate sheet or OHP sheet, any border punch, scissor, half cut pearl, liquid glue, white color thick sheet, some pattern papers, mount board or cardboard. So first I am taking these three pieces of mount board. These two pieces measures 8 by 8 centimeters and this piece measures 4 by 8 centimeters. So I am going to arrange these pieces like this. So for the base I am taking this beautiful sea blue color craft paper. This craft paper is little bit larger than these pieces, so I am going to adhere these mount board pieces on my craft paper using liquid glue like this. So I have stuck from all the sides and our base is ready. You can just slowly fold it like this. Now I am taking two more paper strips and connecting it on the folded part like this. And this is done. Now I'm taking this pattern paper sheet which measures 1.5 by 8 centimeters, and from left side I am marking on 1 centimeters. Here I am showing you how to make hinge to bind our pages. Now just join these markings and create a crease line using your small ball tool. Now fold the crease. I'm just chopping the corner like this, and in the same way I have created some more hinges. Now take back your scrapbook and I'm going to start adhere my hinges one by one in the center part. So just add glue on this 0.5 centimeter folded part and stick it like this from the corner, and in this way continue adding the hinges till the end. Like this. So in total I have added total 7 hinges. So according to your requirement you can change the size of hinges. Now I am taking this pattern paper which measures 15 by 8 centimeters. Just fold this in half Here I am creating the page and I am going to stick it like this with hinge. And also simultaneously I am creating a pocket. So I am adding little glue in the bottom to create the pocket, and also on left and right sides. Now just tuck it in the first hinge and stick it very well. In the same way I will add rest of the pages. So I have added all 7 pages and our basic scrapbook is ready. It's super cute and super tiny. Now I am also decorating the front and back using some more pattern papers. So this is done. Now here I have created this beautiful hanging using some quilling domes, some pearls, some bell, and this beautiful butterfly cutout. I have added all things using jump rings, and now I am taking one more jump ring. Just open it, insert your hanging through this, close your jump ring. Then I am taking one silver color brad pin, insert through the jump ring and add through your pattern paper. Open the brad from back side and then stick this pattern paper on the left side of scrapbook. Like this. So my scrapbook is ready and I have created some tags to insert inside the pocket using my tag punch. So I am just adding these tags inside each pocket. Now I will show you how to create this frame in which you can just insert any photograph. This is very easy to make. So for this I am taking this pattern paper which measures 7 by 7 centimeters, and I have just cut one circle using my zigzag scissor. You can also use scallop dies or scallop punch, and taking this acetate sheet which is little lesser than the base size, and this connector which measures 1.5 by 7 centimeters. I have just folded this in half and we need total 3 connectors. So first I am adding all 3 connectors. Then I'm sticking the acetate sheet and our photograph pocket is ready. Now just fold your connectors and add little glue and stick with the base. So randomly I'm opening any page and sticking it like this. So now you can easily insert any photograph. In the same way I have added some more photograph pockets. Now I am adding some stickers related to the birthday here and there. And I am adding glue only in the bottom corner so that you can tuck any message or any tag or any photograph easily inside these stickers. These are ready-made element sheets, but if you don't have element sheets you can create your own by just drawing any cute design related to birthday and just color it and fussy cut it and it's ready to stick. Also I am adding some pockets which I have already prepared on some pages. Then I am adding these triangles to create birthday banner. In the same way I have added birthday banners on some more pages like this. So a cute scrapbook is ready. Now to decorate the scrapbook from outer side I am taking this beautiful doily on which I have added happy birthday sentiment die, and I am first sticking it like this and then decorating it using some handmade paper flowers. You can also make quilling flowers to decorate your scrapbook. And finally the scrapbook is completed. Now it's time to make the box. So to create box I am taking this sheet which measures 20 by 20.5 centimeters, and from all four sides I have creased on 5 centimeters. This sheet is having 300 GSM thickness. Now I am folding all the creases. Just cut all four sides like this and construct your box. Like this. Now to create lead I am taking this 16.5 by 17 centimeter sheet, and from all four sides I have creased on 3 centimeters, and I have created one frame inside this by leaving 1.5 centimeter gap from all the sides, and I am just cutting this frame using my paper cutter so that we can add acetate sheet and we can see through top what is inside the box. Now I'm just taking my acetate sheet. this. Then I am decorating it using some pattern paper frames from inside and outside. And then I am constructing my box. So the lid is also ready. Now I am just putting my lid on the box and it's ready to use. It's very cute. Then I am decorating the box using some scallop punch border and some handmade paper flowers. Like this. Here I have decorated the edge using some half cut pearls, and now I'm putting my scrapbook inside the box. So quickly I'm tying the knot, and then I will put my cute tiny mini scrapbook inside the container. You can also put chocolates or any other gifts inside the box. It is having many more space to put some extra gifts. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.